Hello and welcome to SignalR series. This is introduction part of SignalR. In current video session we are going to learn about SignalR and its uses. Then we will also take a look on what is real-time functionality. And at the end we will also find where to use SignalR. Now we can start from what is SignalR. So SignalR is nothing else than .NET library that can be used to create a real-time application. Or you can create any web-based application that require high-frequency update from server. Here high-frequency update means user will be notified with real-time information immediately as it's available on server. For example, real-time gaming or stock market updates. At this point, one question comes in your mind: what do you mean by real-time functionality? So real-time functionality is ability to server code push content to connected clients instantly as it's become available on server. For example, if multiple users going to use a web-based application from different location and all user need all updates on server that has been done by other user. So each user need to refresh page again and again, means sending a new HTTP request for getting updated information, because any of user don't know when other user will update information on server. So refreshing page again and again is a kind of headache for user. So user wants, without sending any new HTTP request, page will updated with new information immediately as it's available on server. For example, any social sites or messaging application where we get notified from server whenever we get any new information. Now next is what SignalR provides. SignalR provides a API to create a server to client remote procedure calls that call a client-side function from server-side .NET code. SignalR also provide facility to manage connection, so we can notify other user if someone join or disconnected from server. SignalR work with persistent connection between client and server rather than re-establishing the connection for each communication as normal HTTP requests do. Now let's check difference between normal HTTP request and SignalR. In normal HTTP request, client send a HTTP or HTTPS request to the server, and server find all the information available on server regarding that request and return that information to the client. On another hand, using SignalR, first request sent it to the server for handshake, means a request that going to check both client and server are compatible with each other or not. If both are compatible with each other, server will establish a connection with client with a channel, or you can say a kind of tunnel between client and server, and both can send and receive information using that single communication channel. Now let's check where we can use SignalR. So if any application that need refresh immediately for new information or any application that use long polling can use SignalR. That's it in introduction part. I am leaving this session with some question. Example, what is long polling and what is remote procedure calls? You will get all the answer of these questions in our upcoming video. So please stay connected and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.